Come with us as we explore Pensthorpe Nature Reserve. Pensthorpe stretches over 700 acres with stunning gardens, woodlands and lakes. It gives you the opportunity to get up close and personal with their birds. You can explore Pensthorpe at your own pace. This has many different trails to take. My favourite part has to be seeing the flamingos. There is also a cafe that serves tasty food and drinks as well as a shop. Pensthorpe also has an outdoor play park and an indoor soft play. You will see these in my later videos.